Welcome everyone. Today in GATE series of numericals, we'll be seeing a question of covariance which has came in GATE 2023 and question number was 28. So the question was as shown in the figure, let D1, D2, D3 denote three uncorrelated clockwise direction. So this is one important thing, uncorrelated. That means correlation is equal to 0. Observe at point P with equal standard error for each direction, that is plus minus root 2 arc second. Let alpha 1 and alpha 2 be two included angle found by these three direction. The covariance matrix for these included angle will be given as. So covariance matrix they are asking. So what they are asking is, so this this week covariance matrix in this, so variance of alpha 1 alpha 1, and here covariance of alpha 1 alpha 2, covariance of alpha 1 alpha 2, and variance of alpha 2 alpha 2. This is what they are asking. Okay, so we have to find all this. Okay, so one option we can directly omit because this matrix should, this part should be equal, so this option can't be answer. You can see covariance of alpha 1 alpha 2 equal to this, so in this it is not equal. Okay, so that option we can cancel. Now let's find out. First is definition of alpha 1. So alpha 1 is equal to d2 minus d1. Okay, and means this angle we are taking, so d2 minus d1, and alpha 2 will be equal to d3 minus d2. Okay, and we have to find this covariance variance. Okay, so for that one formula, variance of x minus y is equal to this, we should know, variance of x plus variance of y, derivation we'll see in theory, minus 2 of covariance xy. This is the formula. One other formula that will be needed is covariance of a minus b comma c minus d equal to covariance of ac minus covariance of ad minus covariance of bc plus covariance of bd. This for two formulas will be needed in this question. So first we'll see variance of alpha 1. Okay, that will be equal to variance of d2 minus d1. So this will be equal to variance of d2 plus variance of d1, and we can see as here you can. Okay, and anyway this correlation is 0, so only we are getting this. Otherwise you can see here one more term would have been there, minus covariance of d1 d2. Okay, so correlation of, we already know correlation of alpha, this angle is 0, this angles d1 d2 d3. So correlation also implies covariance will be also 0, so this part will be 0. So variance of d2, so variance of d1 equal to variance of d2 equal to variance of d3, that is given in question, that is square of root 2 square, that is 2. So 2 plus 2 will be equal to 4. So 1 we have found, this will be 4, And similarly you can see this also is same here. So this element also will get as 4 only. Okay, so this two we have derived. So this option also gets cancelled. No, not this option gets cancelled. Now we have to find this one, covariance of alpha 1 comma 2. So let's start with that, covariance of alpha 1 comma 2. So this will be equal to covariance of d2 comma d3. We can expand this, if I'm not saying directly, d2 minus d1 and d3 minus d2. So we will get like this by this formula, covariance of d2 d3 minus covariance of d2 d2 minus covariance d1 d3 plus covariance of d1 d2. So wherever there is different number, already we have seen there's covariance of anything is not related, so it will be 0. So 0 minus, this is actually covariance, so d2 d2 only is there. So same variance of d2 is how much, 2. So here 2 will come, other all 0. So it is minus 2. So we have got our other two component, that is minus 2 minus 2. So this is the answer. Okay, so that's all for today. Again tomorrow we'll see next type of problem. Thank you.